Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Air France 43.
London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 1790 is 11 nautical miles to the east at 2,000 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left. Turkish 1790, wind 200 at 7, number 2, runway 27 left, cleared to land. London Heathrow Tower, Kuwaiti 1111 Super, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing east. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Turkish 1790. Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike, wind 200 at 7, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Kuwaiti 1111 Super, hold short of runway 27 left. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike. Holding short runway 27 left, Kuwaiti 1111 Super. November 12, contact London Centre on 127.0.
Contacting London Centre on 127.0, November 12.
Speedbird 451, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike, contact London Centre on 127.0. Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Speedbird 451. Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike, thank you, good day. London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 9800, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Contacting London Centre on 127.0, Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike. November 630 Mike Kilo, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. London Centre, Air France 577 Sierra Victor Heavy, with you at 38,000.
Air France 577 Sierra Victor Heavy, radar contact. Eurowings 2707 Super is 8 nautical miles northeast of London Southend at 19,000 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow.
London Centre, Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike, with you at 2,500.
Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike, radar contact. Eurowings 27